Another fatality from Hanover crash in which U.S. national passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 34-year-old truck driver has succumbed to injuries he sustained in a two-vehicle crash in Hanover on Friday that claimed the life of a U.S. national also. The Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, the information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed that Wayne Johnson of Caymanas Country Club Estate address in St. Catherine passed away on Monday morning in hospital. Johnson had been driving a Isuzu motor truck when it collided with a car that was being driven by a U.S. national, which veered out of control on the Round Hill Main Road in Hanover. It was previously reported that the 44-year-old James Martinez of Georgia, USA, passed away from injuries he sustained in the collision. Reports from the Sandy Bay Police are that at about 6 p.m., Martinez was driving a Toyota Crown motor car from Montego Bay, St. James. Upon reaching a section of the Round Hill Main Road, it is said that he lost control of the motor vehicle he was driving, which collided with a Isuzu motor truck that was being driven by Johnson, which was traveling in the opposite direction. The police were alerted and all three occupants of the Toyota Crown motor car were taken to hospital where Martinez succumbed to his injuries. The two female occupants of his car admitted in serious condition. Johnson, who was also hospitalized, passed away days later. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.